Hey everyone, welcome to Flavorcast, a show about the Flavour framework. Every episode will have new tips and info for making modern web apps in Java. Let's talk about Flavour's architecture. Flavour is a declarative, single-page app framework built on the TVM Java to JavaScript transpiler. You code your app as a collection of pages, each with an HTML template and a corresponding view class. The pages can also contain other components, either the standard ones provided by Flavour or custom ones you write yourself. View classes and other classes used in your app are converted to JavaScript by TVM during the build process. All you have to deploy is your index.html page, your classes.js JavaScript file, CSS files, and other resources like images. When creating your app, it's helpful to consider the pages the user will navigate through. Convert each page to an HTML file, and create a view class with the same name. Flavour's routing feature will let you switch from page to page on clicks or based on other events. Flavour takes care of updating the page. You just tell it when to switch. It even updates the browser URL and history, so the back button works naturally. On the code side, Java semantics and practices are honored. Want to create a thread to handle background work? No problem. Want to write a debug message to the browser console? System.out.println works just like you'd expect. At build time, the TVM framework takes the Java code for all of the classes used in the application and converts them to JavaScript. Based on the POM file, it knows which class has the main method and invokes that code from the index.html page's onload event, launching the application. TVM performs a couple of tricks during the build process to optimize your web application for fast downloads. First, it analyzes the call tree of the application looking for unused classes and methods, so it doesn't include any code that isn't used. Second, it minifies and obfuscates the generated JavaScript, keeping names short and unreadable. This also prevents reverse engineering. The final application is a compact, easy-to-deploy app. The default packaging is a web archive or WAR file. This can be deployed on any standard Java server, like Tomcat. However, there are only two core files, index.html and classes.js, plus your resources, all of which are static files. So you can deploy your application simply by copying the files to any static file share, like a basic web server or a cloud-shared folder. If your application talks to a service, the service will need to run somewhere, but the front-end, single-page app can be deployed anywhere that can serve static files. Thanks for listening. Stay tuned for more tips on making awesome web apps with Flavour.